Currently 9:15 a.m. Looks like things have just gotten started here. Just starting to snow, not really a whole lot of accumulation yet. Alright, 11 a.m. has picked up significantly just since the last time I recorded. It's coming down pretty good now. I think the heaviest of it's going to be around 2 p.m. Looks like it's starting to accumulate. Yeah, it is coming down. Alright, currently noon. Not a whole lot of snow accumulation so far, but I'd say we got maybe an inch or so, half an inch. It's supposed to, we're actually in a little bit of a lull right now, so it should pick up in like half an hour. Yep. Just see what happens. The heaviest should be like 2 to 3 p.m. from what I've seen. At that point, we'll probably be seeing 1-2 inches per hour. Just have to see. Alright, it's about 1:15. This is the heaviest snow we've had yet. Should continue like this for a couple more hours. It's coming down pretty good. Finally starting to see some good accumulation now. Oh yeah. Alright, about 2:20 p.m. Here's where we're at. Still coming down pretty good. The heaviest bands are basically starting to build over us right now. So the next hour or so, hour or two, should be the heaviest snow of the day. And yeah, it's coming down pretty good at the moment. Probably at least 2 inches or so by now. And by the end of this, we should see 4 to 6. Maybe a little more if it hangs around. But it's coming down pretty good. Alright, next update at 3:15. Alright, just before 3:10. Here's what's going on. Heaviest snow of the day so far. Looks like it's gonna go on like this for at least another hour, probably 2 hours. It is coming down. Earlier I wasn't quite sure we'd get a whole lot, but now the temperature is dropping with, you know, every hour it's down to like 29, maybe 28 by now. We definitely have probably close to 3 inches of snow, and it's just getting heavier and heavier. We got, you know, one really intense band that's going to come through, and then after that it will slow down. But yeah, this is the heaviest stuff so far right here. All right, it's now 4 o'clock. We're in the thick of it now. The heaviest band of snow we've had all day. It is coming down. Not sure how much we have, but It's gotta be close to like 4 inches by now. It is really, really coming down now. After this it will slow down, but yeah, right now this is pretty much the heaviest snow we're gonna get.